How to fix Amazon not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here scroll down and search Amazon app. Click on the search icon and search Amazon app. So for example, this is Amazon app, so click on Amazon app. So click on storage. So if you want to fix Amazon not working problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So click on delete. You will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Amazon not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.